we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life.
Good morning, guys. What's up? It's Taylor. Welcome back to another video. So today I'm just going to be taking you guys along with me. We're going to try to have a really good day. It is a bit gloomy out, which is kind of a bummer. It was nice and sunny yesterday, but now it's just rainy and gloomy. So, you know, we're going to try to get some stuff done around the apartment. I do need to clean it up. It's looking pretty messy right now, which is really bothering me. I have been getting back into a good routine, which has just been so nice. I'm finally feeling more like myself again, and I feel like I'm actually moving forward and making some progress instead of just feeling so stagnant all the time. So I'm just really happy about that. So we're gonna keep that up. Okay, I finished up all the cleaning for the most part. I even took out all the trash cans and the recycling and deep cleaned the kitchen, deep cleaned the stove. I did the bathroom yesterday, so we're good to go, but I do still need to vacuum, so I'll probably do that later. But now I'm gonna run a couple errands. I just have some orders that need to go out today, and then I also have some Amazon returns that I need to do that I've been procrastinating on. Just all of these right here. I always wait till the last minute because I really don't like to do it, but sometimes I just totally forget altogether and then I just end up wasting my money. So yeah, we're just gonna make the effort today since I'm actually pretty busy the next few days with cat sittings. I wanted to go work out, but I'm honestly way too hungry, so I'm just gonna make a really quick lunch. So I'm just making a simple shrimp salad. I have some butter lettuce and arugula here for the base, and then we're gonna do some corn, tomatoes, red onion, and cilantro. And I just seasoned the shrimp with this chili lime seasoning from Trader Joe's and some salt and pepper. And then for the dressing, I'm just gonna do a simple olive oil and lime juice. Hey guys, it's a little bit later now. I am drinking an ice cold DC. I actually grew up in a family who is obsessed with Diet Coke, so yeah, this is very on brand for me. But yeah, this just sounded really good. I wanted some caffeine. I'm actually sharing it with Arie, so I feel a little bit better about it. I've been putting all of my drinks in this fancy glass that I just recently got from CB2. It just makes all of your drinks look so much cooler, and I just feel so much fancier. I'm just trying to, you know, romanticize my life a little bit with this. I've been trying to roll with this Pale Girl Summer because I've just been too lazy to reapply my tan, and I'm actually like almost out of it. I don't know if I can get one more use out of it, but you know, I'd have to probably buy another bottle, and I'm just like, ugh, it's so expensive. But I'm starting to want to do it because I just don't know how long I can take this. I just feel so pale and it's not fun. So, you know, sometimes I like it, and then other times I'm like, ew, why? Like, why are you so white? People literally used to comment on how pale I was in school. So yeah, love my life. Anyway, I apologize for the rant. I did not sit down to rant to you guys. I actually want to show you this new book that I got. It's another Colleen Hoover book. It's called Layla. This is gonna be my new read. I did finish Hopeless. It was super good. I actually do have a goal of reading all of Colleen Hoover's books because I just love her. She just writes the best books. She's an amazing writer. So, you know, I just gotta read them all. I don't think I've ever heard anyone mention this book before, but I just looked up thrillers of Colleen Hoover's that were similar to her book Verity because I really liked that one, and that one was pretty scary. So hopefully this one's a little scarier, I hope. I did see in the comments of this book that there are ghosts in here, which is super interesting. I never thought of Colleen Hoover writing a book with ghosts in it, so I'm excited to see how she incorporates that. But I'll give you guys a quick summary of what the book's about. So it says, when Leeds meets Layla, the guy's name is Leeds. I've never heard that name before. He's convinced he'll spend the rest of his life with her until an unexpected attack leaves Layla fighting for her life. After weeks in the hospital, Layla recovers physically, but the emotional and mental scarring has altered the woman Leeds fell in love with. In order to put their relationship back on track, Leeds whisks Layla away to the bed and breakfast where they first met. Once they arrive, Layla's behavior takes a bizarre turn, and that's just one of many inexplicable occurrences. So, yeah. That was a pretty vague summary, but you know, we're just gonna read it and hopefully it'll be good. I don't know what kind of accident she gets into, but at the top here, it says, love can haunt or heal. So, I don't know. We'll see. I'll let you guys know what I think. This looks so good and it was so easy to make. I just made a chickpea salad sandwich, and then I did some cucumbers with hummus and then crackers with hummus on the side, and just the leftover cherries that we had left. And I just added some lemon juice and some ranch seasoning to the hummus just to give it a little extra flavor. It tastes so good. But yeah, this looks so yummy. I'm so hungry. I just took off my makeup and washed my face. I'm actually gonna use my gua sha tonight. I'm just feeling a little bit like puffy, so I feel like this will help. So I'm just gonna put on some random face oil that I have. You want to make sure to put an oil on before you use this so that it glides easier and doesn't like pull on your skin and cause wrinkles. So that's what I'm doing. That oil didn't work very well, so I'm gonna try this ordinary one. That one's just too drying, so it's like dry before I even get the gua sha on my face. So let's hope this one. Okay, this one feels like it might be better. It's a little more wet. Okay, I'm all ready for bed now. I am winding down a bit earlier tonight because I do have to get up pretty early for a cat sitting I have. Also, don't mind my little lisp going on. I just have a retainer in. But yeah, and there's also a crazy storm going on behind me. There was like some crazy lightning a few minutes ago, but But I am gonna read a little bit before bed because I do want to start my new book and see how it is. I just heard some thunder. I love a good thunderstorm, so I'm very happy. Also, I do have some exciting news that I will be sharing with you guys in my next video, so stay tuned for that. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!